Hi friends, kind of surreal moment right now. So currently 10:47. I just got home, saying goodbye to some friends. We had a nice little dinner and I had a lovely last day, and it is time, smiling through the pain, time to pack my car. Really can't believe this is happening, but my dad and I are gonna have a fun little game of Tetris. Of course I will bring you along with me, but I want to show you guys everything that I'm going to try so very hardly to jam into my car. If it doesn't fit, you might be witnessing a mental breakdown before I leave. Hopefully that doesn't happen because I have to wake up at like 7 tomorrow to leave. So, quick run through of everything I have. You can't tell what this is, but these are all of my hangers. I just like wrapped it in trash bag basically, and it's all clothes. I have 4 of those. Then over here, I just have a bunch of like literally random stuff. I have pillows, the artwork I've shown you a billion times, bins of like random stuff. I don't know, it makes sense to me. This is literally food and my EpiPen and my art kit that I showed you earlier. Hey, and then makeup and like books and stuff, and my Bible and calculator. And over here, this is like other bags, room decor stuff, blanket, towels, bags. I don't remember what this is. Jewelry holder. Not bringing this, but like this is important. It has like my Brita and stuff, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it in this bin. More boxes. Then this is how I sorted all my clothes. This is one of the things you just get hanged somewhere, and then I just filled it with all the stuff that's already gonna be in there, so I could just hang it up once I get there. Don't have to fold all my stuff. I have a couple extra hangers, and then I have like whatever, bras, underwear, and then a couple bins. I think this one's like athletic clothes, and then this one is like tank tops. That's my bedding. Fan, not too, actually it's kind of a lot. Okay, I have some hair, shampoo, conditioner stuff that I wanted to bring, my 2 mirrors, and then over here I have my shoes, my shoe thing. It's kind of like the other thing, but it's strictly for shoes. I have no clue if this is a lot of stuff or a little. I don't know if I did a good job, but it feels like it's everything that I need. So we're gonna see if this fits into my car, and I will update you in a bit. Part of my house you've never seen. I'm in a garage.
You see this?
Okay, I swear it looks a lot worse than it is. I think I'm actually doing quite a good job. So all I have left is like this mirror. I genuinely don't know if I can fit this like through the window, but we'll see. My cute car, because I gave her a little makeover. Can you see Hula Girl in there? I gave her a little makeover for school, but like, do you see how jammed this is? It's like freaking Tetris up in here. You can't even tell because it's, but I think I'm doing pretty good. Hey. About this right here. I feel like I could get this in if this door opened more. I'm putting it through there and like sliding it over the heads. Nice. Fabulous. Let's go. Are you supposed to cover stuff before you put it in so it doesn't get scratched or whatever? Nice. Ooh. We got it, guys. We got it. Let's see if she closes. Can you guys tell I don't make my bed a lot? Okay guys, it's officially the day that I never thought was actually gonna come, and we are moving to college, and I'm so excited to take you with me. Let's go. We have the Pepperdine pants on for good luck. Guys, Russell keeps falling in the garage and it actually makes me wanna cry. I'm sorry, Russell. No, Russell, you can't come. No, 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 I'm so sorry. Hey guys, never thought I'd be one of these YouTubers to do this cheesy car intro where they literally like shut the door to come in on camera, and I also never thought I would actually be driving to my first actual time going to college on campus, but both are happening right this very moment.
But yeah.
Hopefully this all goes smoothly, and I'll see you guys along on the journey. Thanks for coming with me. Drive never fails to amaze me. It's so pretty all the time.
That Jane standing over in a nightgown.
I got Thai food, of course. Good morning. Hello guys. We went to our first cafe, which is what really makes these road trips. And of course I got a lavender latte, and we're on day 2 of driving. We like split it up just because it makes it more comfy and cozy. So we stayed at like an Airbnb in Reading last night, and then we're gonna do the rest of the driving today. Crazy to think by the end of today we will be in LA. Same place I was like a year ago, but I was moving into an apartment. I also, side note, got a croissant, which I usually don't get food at bakeries, but this looks really bomb. Boxing. Ooh, look at her. This is like a ham gruyere or something. Ooh, looks good. See you guys on the road for another update. Hello guys, it's a lot later. We are in, you wanna guess? A tiny house. Look at this. House tour. First off, bathroom, very cute. But this thing is actually tiny, which makes sense because it's a tiny house. But look at this. Wouldn't this be so sick to have if you were like a child person? Like, I'm gonna put this in my future living spaces. Pretty awesome, right? We're gonna get rest because tomorrow is actually move-in day, which is absolutely insane to say. Never thought that day would come. So we are currently driving to campus, and it is absolutely mind-boggling that in less than 30 minutes, I will be at college. Wonderful. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Nice, yeah? Here we are. Ooh.
Yeah, I don't really like you, but I try to so I can have fun. I just roll around town with a frown.
Guys, I'm sweating so.
I don't really like you, but I try to so I can have fun. I just roll around town with a frown on the I'm sick of all my fake friends. I'm sick of time that makes sense. And I'm sick of never being nowhere to be real and not pretend. Just so I can fit in. Yeah, I never really was your friend. Yeah, that had to come to an end. Again, yeah, I'm really
Like halfway-ish progress. I set my closet up basically, kind of set up, and I need to hang stuff up now.
had songs for someone, but now I really know how to go. And now I really know how to flow on my lonesome. Feels so wholesome. Now I feel good that I wrote some. So let me quote some. Yeah, I don't really like you, but I try to so I can have fun. I just roll around town with a frown on the run. Fun.
Hey friends, a little update. Here is the current state of my dorm room. I think I'm gonna finish everything up today, so that's very exciting. My desk area is pretty much done. I think I'm just gonna add some photos up here probably. Then I have my mirror up. My closet is pretty much all organized. This area is pretty much done. I just think I'm gonna put like more photos up here. The big things are I'm gonna hang up my canvases. Here I have the command strips up already. I just need to finish that off. Then my bed is pretty much all made, and then I also want to hang up these little dragonflies somewhere over here. I might put them up here. Hey friends, so I am now in my pretty finished. I only have a couple things to add left, but pretty much done dorm room. I showed you some sneak peeks, but make sure to stay tuned for the full dorm tour. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out, and in all it took about like a day and a half. It honestly didn't take as long as I thought it would, which is good for me. I think these canvases helped a lot because they fill up a lot of space. But thank you guys for keeping me company while I decorated my room. Make sure to stay tuned for more college videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily.
Oh my gosh, who puts these this tight? Actually, I think a lot of people put them this tight. I think I just make them really loose for some reason. Oh my gosh, I can't do this right now. Hey guys,